Alright, here at the Sunset World. Today is 29 October. Yeah, another course. So go at the Sunset World and with the bus everywhere. And where's the weather? Today is 29 October. Today is course. So let's go to Bad SPA. Go to the outer circle. Let's see for trains now. Here. Train's coming for a second now. Here it is. Whoa. You hear this right there. Let's go. And some right here. And this one here. Oh, it's close. A second. Up. And here we go. 3 fast case to Bad SPA. See this? It's very nice and it's a classic train like that. I can believe this is another school. So much it lasts. It's a very nice train. It's a new train. Now this is a really fast. We're here at Bad SPA now. I will show you with the trains and it's already here. Sorry, this is sorry for you guys. It's Jason again, yeah. And Jason's turn to say hi to Jason. Hi. Now I need to look at this. So guys. So guys. Alright, I guess the train's right there. We're happy with this video and see you guys at schools. Alright, let's go at the bus right there. Yeah. Sure, let's go at the bus right there. And next one, at November, go at the tram. Well, and let's go start and see you guys at last. And it's a fun